The space present in between two membranes called as?
Perimitochondrial space.
Very good. Perimitochondrial space. So where the enzymes are present in mitochondrial cell organelle? Some of the enzymes are present on the outer surface of outer membrane of mitochondria. Some of the enzymes, respiratory enzymes, are present in inner membrane of the mitochondria and also in the matrix of mitochondria. Some of the respiratory enzymes are present in matrix of mitochondria, outer membrane. Here I drawn the outermost layer, white with the white color chalk. This is outer membrane of mitochondria, and this next followed by inner membrane, that red color. Here I drawn the innermost layer by using red color chalk. The inner membrane of mitochondria forms the foldings. These foldings are called as, what are the foldings? These foldings are called as cristae. Yes, the foldings of inner membrane called as cristae. The matrix of mitochondria is consist of the circular DNA molecule. Right. What are the other components present in matrix of mitochondria?
Sir, ribosome.
Very good. 70s type of ribosomes. 70s type of ribosomes. DNA molecules.
Respiratory enzyme.
Respiratory enzymes. In addition to, along with this, RNA molecules are there now. RNA molecules. Right. Yesterday we have discussed about the structures of mitochondria and components of the mitochondria. Cell organelle. The mitochondria cell organelle inside the matrix. Mitochondrial cell organelle is consist of DNA, 70s type of ribosomes, and RNA molecules. So, bone DNA is present in mitochondrial cell organelle. You have learned about the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, vacuoles. Are they having bone DNA? Endoplasmic reticulum cell organelle.
No, sir.
Yes. The endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, vacuole cell organelles do not having the bone DNA. Whereas in mitochondria, the mitochondrial cell organelle is consist of DNA, own DNA, right? So what is the function of mitochondrial cell organelle? The mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in the respiration process, the aerobic respiration. So mitochondrial cell organelle is the site of aerobic respiration, important from objective point of view. Which cell organelle is the site of aerobic respiration? Option 1 is endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Option 2 is Golgi complex, GC. Option 3 is lysosomes. Option 4 is the mitochondria. What is the answer?
Option for mitochondria, sir.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Mitochondria. Mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in the respiration process, aerobic respiration. The respiration takes place in the cell in mitochondrial cell organelle. So the cellular respiration. In respiration process, the mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in the synthesis of ATP. That energy is stored in the form of ATP molecule. What is the full form of ATP?
Adenosine
Triphosphate.
Very good.
Adenosine triphosphate.
Right, very good. Adenosine triphosphate. So adenosine triphosphate is the energy currency of the cell. Energy currency of the cell. Energy currency of the cell. Right. Which is energy currency of the cell? Adenosine triphosphate.
ATP.
ATP, very good. The mitochondrial cell organelle is known as a powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouses of the. I highlight the points regarding objective point of view. Mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in the aerobic respiration. So, cell organelle is the mitochondrial cell organelle is the site of aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place in the mitochondrial cell organelle. The mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in formation of the ATP, stores the energy in the form of ATP. Hence, it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. And the full form of ATP, regarding for both subjective and objectives, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. And next, the energy currency of the cell. Which is energy currency of the cell? Which is the very good. ATP is energy currency of the cell. Right? Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? Option 1,
mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer, mitochondria. Which is site of aerobic respiration?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria, right?
Mitochondria.
Which of the cell organelle is having its own DNA? Then what is the answer?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Very good, mitochondria.
The
Mitochondria.
cell organelle having only RNA is also mitochondria, sir.
Among these cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria. Among these 4 cell organelles, in mitochondria, RNA and DNA molecules are present. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, here we go. Next. Which of the following cell organelle stores the energy in the form of ATP? Then what is the answer?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Right. So, have you heard the points regarding? So, this concept in subjective point of view that describe about the structure of mitochondria with a neat labeled diagrammatic question. Whereas in objective point of view, regarding mitochondrial cell organelle, mitochondria is a site of aerobic respiration. The respiratory engines are associated with the outer inner membrane and matrix of mitochondria. Inside the matrix of mitochondria, the DNA, 70S type of ribosomes, and RNA molecules are present. Right, mitochondrial cell organelle is the site of aerobic respiration, involving that's the storage of energy in the form of ATP molecule. Hence, it is known as energy currency of the cell. The full form of ATP is also important for both subjective and objective. ATP is the full form is adenosine triphosphate. Yes, adenosine triphosphate. Right. Own DNA is present in mitochondria and in chloroplast cell organelle, plastics. Later we will discuss about the plastics.
Even in nucleus also, no, sir?
Yes. That's one. The genetic material is covered by the nuclear membrane. In nucleus, it is the naked DNA molecule. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Sir, the mitochondria have DNA. It is a genetic DNA or different DNA, sir?
Mitochondria.
Sir, mitochondria has DNA, no, sir.
Ah.
Is it genetic DNA or it is different DNA, sir?
The DNA is different. Mitochondrial DNA is different from the genetic material of nucleus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. So, due to presence of the one DNA molecule, the mitochondria organelle, cell organelle, is reproduced through the fission process. One mitochondria cell organelle is divided to give rise to two mitochondria. Here I draw how many mitochondrial cell organelle? Mitochondrial. One mitochondrial cell organelle. Here I draw one mitochondrial. Now, have you written these points? Have you highlighted regarding the adenosine triphosphate energy currency of the
Yes,
cell?
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
How about the cell? Good. Right. So this mitochondrial cell organelle. Mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in the fission process. DNA molecule is there in mitochondria, circular DNA. The one molecule of the DNA is divided to give rise to two molecules of DNA. Like here, this is a circular DNA molecule present in mitochondria. During fission process, means in fission, the one mitochondria cell organelle is divided to give rise to two mitochondria. One mitochondrial cell organelle is divided to give rise to two mitochondria. Right. The first of all, what are the events takes place during fission process? The DNA is mitochondrial DNA is involved in the duplication. Means one nucleoid is gives rise to two. The one circular DNA is divided gives rise to two daughter DNA molecules. Right. After the formation of DNA molecules, two DNA molecules from one circular DNA, the foldings are extended towards the center. So gradually, what are cristae? Finger-like foldings of the inner membrane. Inner membrane forms the foldings. So these foldings are deepens gradually towards the center. So then it leads to formation of the two mitochondrial cell organelles. The one mitochondrion is divided to give rise to two mitochondrial cell organelles. Right. One mitochondrion cell organelle is divided to give rise to the two mitochondria. Do you have any doubts, Nana? It's the mitochondrial cell organelle is reproduced through which method? That is mitochondrial cell organelle is
Fission.
Fission. Very good.
Sir, it is binary or multiple, sir?
Binary fission, because here the one mitochondria divide to give rise to two mitochondrial cell organelle. So it is called a binary fission. Is it clear, Nana? Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. Next, based on this powerhouses of the cell. The statement type of the question in NEET examination. The statement 1. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Statement 2. Lysosome, cell organelle, is known as suicidal bags of the cell. Option statement 1 is mitochondrial cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell. Next, lysosomes, cell organelles are known as suicidal bags of the cell. The statement first option is statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. The second option is the statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. Third option is statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. The fourth option is statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer in the chat box. Both are correct. Right. The
Option 1, sir. Statement 1 and 2 are correct.
Very good. Statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. The statement 1, the given statement 1 is mitochondrial cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell. It's correct. And the statement 2, lysosome cell organelles are known as the suicidal bags of the cell. Right. Both the statements are the correct. Endoplasmic reticulum, cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell. Then what is the answer?
Option
Sir,
3.
third option.
Very good, third option. Then what is the answer?
Option 4.
Option 4. Both the statements are the incorrect. Then what is the answer? Mitochondrial cell organelle is known as
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. Very good. The statement one. Yes, very good. No?
Second option.
Second option is the correct answer. Statement 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. Right. Next, plastics. The next cell organelles are the plastics. No need to draw next diagram. We have to draw ourselves. These are only for the differentiation. The three types of plastics are there. Some are appeared colorless, and some are colored other than green. That's maybe red, yellow, or orange. And some of the plastics are appears like green in color. So plastics, how many types of plastics are there in plant cells? Mainly
Three types.
types of plastics. So plastics are present in the plants in the plantain, and euglenoids are present in which kingdom? Already known.
Protista.
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 Very good.
Protista.
Protista. How many groups of protistants are there?
5 groups.
Five groups. Five, five groups. Very good. So the plastids are present in the plant cells and also in euglenoids. So three types of plastids are there. So what are they? They are, one is colorless plastids, leucoplasts. Second one is chromoplast. Third one is chloroplast. Leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. Right. The plastics, how many types of plastics are there? Three types. Leucoplast. One is leucoplast, second one is chromoplast, and third one is the chloroplast. Leucoplast cell organelles are the colorless. What is the function of leucoplast? The leucoplast cell organelles are involved in the storage of the food materials. The stored food material varies depending upon the types of organs, types of the plant organs. The stored food material varies. So first of all, we have to draw the diagram. Later we will discuss about the functions of leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. Now I am going to show the diagram, the chloroplast. Please wait 1 minute. So plastids, the chloroplast diagram has given in NCERT textbook. Now I am going to show the chloroplast diagram. You have to draw. Right, this is a diagram. The sectional view of chloroplast. First, you have to draw the diagram. Later, we will discuss about description of the three cell organelles: plast, leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast.
So stroma is the ground liquid substance, right, sir?
What's that?
So stroma is a ground liquid substance, no, sir?
Stroma lamellae. Stroma is that colored
Liquidy sort of substance, right, sir? Ground
fluid.
substance.
It's granular fluid-like substance in a chloroplast. Stroma lamella or stroma thylakoids present in between the grana thylakoids. There, some of the thylakoids are arranged one above other like a pile of coins, no? That's called as grana in the diagrammatic representation. At certain regions, thylakoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins. That is called granum. Granum thylakoids or grana. In between the granum thylakoids, the stroma thylakoids are present. The stroma thylakoids are also called as a stroma lamella. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you,
Right.
sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Have you drawn? Okay, now, later we will send this diagrammatic representation through WhatsApp. Later we will draw. First draw the outline, any one granum thylakoid and stromum thylakoid enough. And label it. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Right. So regarding the plastics, in objective point of view, the plastics are presented. Option 1 is plant cells. Option 2 is euglenoids. Option 3, bacteria. Option 4 is 1 and 2. I repeat the question. The plastics are present in option 1, plant cells. Option 2, euglenoids. Option 3, bacteria. Option 4, 1 and 2.
And 4, 1 and 2.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer.
Option for 1 and 2.
Option 4, 1 and 2.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. 1. So first of all, we have to know about the leucoplast cell organ. What is the function of leucoplast cell organelle? How many types of leucoplasts are there? The leucoplast cell organelles are involved in the storage of the food materials. Leucoplast cell organelles are involved in storage of the food materials. Storage, function of leucoplast storage. Right. The leucoplast cell organelles are further differentiated into 3 subtypes. Leucoplast cell organelles are further differentiated into 3 subtypes based on the stored food materials. In some of the plant organs, leucoplast stores the food materials in the form of starch. The starch storing leucoplast cell organelles are known as amyloplast. example, in rice seed, the rice seed is made of several cells. In potato tuber, outermost layer, the outermost layer is the appeared brown in color, that's called the periderm. Just beneath the periderm, the several cells of their tissue. There the cell is consist of leucoplast cell organelle. What is the function of leucoplast in potato tuber cells and starch, the rice seed cells involved in the storage of food materials in the form of starch. The starch storage leucoplast cell organelles are known as amyloplast. Right, this is a cell. In cells, here I drawn one of the cell. The rice seed is consist of several cells. Right. Potato tuber, just beneath the periderm, the cells are involved in storage of the food materials in the form of a starch. So in cytoplasm of the cell organelles, several cell organelles are present. What is the function here? The leucoplast cell organelle is involved in storage of the food materials in the form of a starch. So the starch storage leucoplast cell organelles are known as amyloplast. Is it clear now? Starch storage, amyloplast. Starch storage leucoplast cell organelles are known as amyloplast. Right, what is the second subtype? One is amyloplast and second one is the ileoplast. The ileoplast cell organelles are stores the food materials in the form of oil or fat. In some of the plant organs, the leucoplast cell organelles stores food materials in the form of oil or fat. Like oil or fat storage, leucoplast cell organelles are known as ileoplast. In some of the plant organs, the leucoplast cell organelles involved in storage of food materials in the form of proteins. So the protein storage leucoplast cell organelles are known as aleuroplast. Aleuroplast. Starch storage leucoplast cell organelles, amyloplast. Oil or fat storage leucoplast, ileoplast. Protein storage leucoplast cell organelles are known as aleuroplast. Protein storage leucoplast cell organelles are known as aleuroplast. Is it clear? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
Right. So which of the following are the leucoplast cell organelles? Option 1 is amyloplast, option 2 is ileoplast, option 3 is aleuroplast, option 4 is all of them.
Option for all of the above.
Option for all of the above.
Very good. Option 4, all of them.
Examples for the aleuroplasts.
Aleuroplast.
So grams.
Yes. Grams, green gram, gram, and pea plant proteins. More amount of proteins are there, no? Red gram.
Sir, ileoplast, sir.
Ileoplast, the proteins, proteins and
Round
oil.
sunflower seeds.
Oil is also there. In coconut endosperm tissue.
Yes.
That's oil is extracted from the endosperm of a coconut seeds, right? Is it clear?
Clear.
Oh, okay, right. So, which of the following cell organelles are stores the food materials in the form of starch? What is the answer?
Amyloblast.
Amyloblast. Which of the following cell organelles are stores food materials in the form of proteins? Then what is the answer?
Option 3, alluroplast.
Option 3, alluroplast.
Celluloplast. Right. Which of the following cell organelles stores food materials in the form of oil or fats? Then what? Then what is the answer?
Option 2, alluroplast.
Option 2, alluroplast.
Very good. Option 2 is the answer. So leucoplast cell organelle is involved in storage of the food material. Chromoplast imparts colors to various parts of the plant. So based on this, the match of the following questions. This concept. Match the following. Column 1 and column 2. That A. Alluroplast. B. Amyloplast. C. Alluroplast. By starch, proteins, oil. Now it's matched in column 1, the given.
Sir, A2, B1, C3.
Very good. Alluroplast, A2, proteins.
A2, B1, C3, sir.
Very good. A2, B1, C3. Alluroplast. Right. Have you looked at the functions of the each cell organelle? Amyloplast,
Yes, sir.
alluroplast, and alluroplast. Right. Next, chromoplast cell organelles. Chromoplast. Right. Chromoplasts are appeared in different colors other than green. Chromoplast cell organelles are consist of the pigments like as the carotenoids and xanthophyll. What are the pigments are present in a chromoplast cell organelles? The chromoplast cell organelles are consist of carotenoids, xanthophyll pigments, phycobilins, some of the plants, chloroplast cell organelles. Majority of the pigments are the carotenoids and the xanthophyll.
Sir, phycoerythrin will be present, sir.
Yes, phycoerythrin is also present depending upon that plant species. Phycoerythrin is in fact red color. Our phycoerythrin is in rhodophyceae class of algae.
Yes, sir.
Right. So carotenoids and xanthophyll. Keratin. What is the color of carrot? Carrot.
Orange.
So carrot is appeared orange in color due to presence of the carotene pigment. What is the color of the tomato? Ripened tomato.
Red, sir. Red, red.
Red in color due to presence of the lycopene pigment. Lycopene is the red color pigment. Carotene is the orange color pigment. Xanthophyll is the yellow color pigment. Xanthophyll. In some of the plant species, the fruit wall, fruit coat, and petals are appeared the yellow in color due to presence of xanthophyll pigment. Okay, xanthophyll pigment. Xanthophyll is it causes which color? Yellow color. Subtypes are there. Fucoxanthin. In kingdom Plantae, the Phaeophytes class of algae are appeared brown in color due to presence of a fucoxanthin pigment. Right, fucoxanthin is the one subtype of xanthophyll. Carotene.
Brown color.
Yes, very. That's fucoxanthin is impacts brown in color. Right. In higher plants, the chromoplast, cell organelles impacts various colors to the plant organs. The petals are appeared in different colors. In some of the plant species, the petals are appeared red in color. In some of the plant species, the petals are appeared yellow in color. In some of the plant species, the petals are appeared pink in color, orange in color. So that's color of the petal varies depending upon the plants, the flower, depending upon the plant species. The flower's colors and fruit coat color is varies depending upon the types of a plant species. The chromoplast cell organelles are impacts colors to the various parts of the plant. The chromoplasts are appeared in red, orange, or yellow, different colors other than green color. Right. The carotenoids and xanthophyll pigments are dissolved in the fat, not in the water, dissolved in the fat. The chromoplast cell organelles. What is the function of chromoplast? Leucoplast function is storage. Chromoplast is impacts
color.
The chromoplast cell organelles impacts colors to the various organs of the plants. Right. In angiosperms, the flowering plants, the petals are appeared in different colors like as yellow, orange, red, pink, violet. So such colors are useful for attraction of the animals, different types of the animals. So calyx, what is the color of calyx? Already learned about the structure of flower. Parts of flower?
Green color.
Flower is
Green.
mainly 4 parts: calyx, corolla. Right, calyx is very green in color. Mainly 4 parts are there in a flower: calyx, corolla, antlucium, and gynecium. Right. Next, the cell organelle, chloroplast. The chloroplast cell organelles are appeared green in color. The chloroplast cell organelles are appears green in color. So each of the cell organelle is surrounded by how many membranes? Each cell organelle, how many membranes are there in a chloroplast? 2 membranes. Mitochondria, yes, mitochondria, 2 membranes. Chloroplast, mitochondrial cell organelles are having the 2 membranes, double membrane cell organelles. Right. The colorless substance is present in a chloroplast cell organelle. The chloroplast cell organelles are appeared in different shapes. The chloroplast cell organelles appears like as disc shape, oval in shape, spherical, in shape, and ribbon-like. So chloroplast cell organelles are appeared in different shapes. The chloroplast cell organelle is consist of two membranes. Two membranes important. The double membrane cell organelle. Chloroplast is involved in a photosynthesis process. Leucoplast is involved in storage of the food material. Chromoplast cell organelles impacts color, various colors to the plant organs other than green. Right. The chloroplast cell organelles are appeared in different shapes. The number of chloroplast cell organelle is varies number of the chloroplast cell organelle. In the chlamydomonas is the unicellular organism that consists of the one chloroplast cell organelle. How many chloroplast cell organelles are present in the chlamydomonas? How many chloroplast cell organelles are there? One or more than one? One. One chloroplast cell organelle. One chloroplast cell organelle is present in chlamydomonas. The number of chloroplast cell organelles varies depending upon the organism. In chlamydomonas organism, that is unicellular organism, one chloroplast cell organelle is present in a chlamydomonas. Whereas in the mesophyll cells, leaves, mesophyll cells, mesophyll cells. Mesophyll is a part of the leaf. Yes, what is the outermost layer of the leaf? Outermost layer of the leaf.
Lamina. That is
Epiderm.
epicarp, sir, epicarp.
Epidermis.
Epidermis.
Epidermis. Right, what is the next tissue? The mesophyll. Internally, anatomically, the leaf is consist of mainly three parts. What are they? They are, one is epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer. Next, here the blue color cells tissue. Here I drawn. It's represent the mesophyll. Mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll. Number of chloroplast cell organelles important for objective point of view. Highlight. Write it down and highlight. The in chlamydomonas organism, one chloroplast is present. Whereas in the mesophyll cells, mesophyll is present in a leaf. Mesophyll is present in a leaves. In the mesophyll cells, each of the mesophyll cell is consist of the 20 to 40 chloroplast cell organelle. 20 to 40 chloroplast cell organelles are present in the mesophyll cells. Right here I drawn one mesophyll cell. One mesophyll cell. The mesophyll cell is consist of 20 to 40 chloroplast cells. 20 to 40 chloroplast cell organelles. Right, this is one of the chloroplast. Next, the second, third, fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so on. 20 to 40 chloroplast cell organelles are present in the mesophyll cells. Okay, so the number of chloroplast cell organelle in a chlamydomonas is option 1 is 5, option 2 is 20 to 40, option 3 is 1, option 4 is 2.
Option 3 once.
Option 3, 1.
Very good. Option 3 is the answer. 1. The number of chloroplast cell organelles in mesophyll cells of the leaf. Then what is
Option 2.
Option 2, 20 to 40.
Option 2, sir, 20 to 40.
Option 2 is the correct answer. 22 by 40. Have you highlighted the number of chloroplast cell organelles in the mesophyll and chlamydomonas organism? Right. So the length of the chloroplast cell organelle is the 5 to 10 millimeter, and the width of the chloroplast cell organelle is 2 to 4 millimeter. The chloroplast cell organelle length is 5 to 10 millimeter, whereas the width of the chloroplast cell organelle is 2 to 4 millimeter.
Millimeter or micrometer?
Yes, sir.
Sir, millimeter or micrometer, sir?
Not micrometer. Micrometer, that's we are using this symbol now. Micrometer. Mu m, micrometer.
So cell is only so 10 to 20 micrometers, so then how it will be, say 10 to 5 to 10 millimeters, sir, the length of chloroplast?
Cell, what's your doubt now?
So cell is only 10 to 20 nanometer, no sir? Then how chloroplast will be so big, sir?
In cell, a typical eukaryotic cell.
Sir, RBC has 7 micrometer in diameter, no sir?
Is micrometer. RBC, 7 micrometer diameter.
Sir, then how it will be, sir? Millimeter, sir. How it will come to millimeter, sir?
So it should be,
Sir.
the chloroplast cell organelle, sir, I'm telling.
Yes, in a typical eukaryotic cell. In plants,
What's the size of the eukaryotic cell?
measurement size of
Yes, sir.
eukaryotic cell.
Nanometer, no, sir.
Yes, that's 10 to 20.
So then how it will,
Micrometer, sir. 10 to 20 micrometer.
10 to 20 micrometer. In bacterial cell, 3 to 5 micrometer. Mycoplasma, 1 to 0.1 to 0.3. Right. In red blood cells, the diameter is 7 micrometer. A typical eukaryotic cell is 10 to 20 micrometer.
Sir,
Is it
micro
clear?
means 10 to the power minus 6, sir. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3, sir.
Sir, I think it is printing mistake, sir, because in Google also it is showing 5 to 7 micrometer the length and width is 2 to 4 micrometer.
Yes, sir. It should be micrometer, sir, not millimeter.
Yes. Okay, here this the chloroplast organelle is that smaller than the cell, eukaryotic cell. Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Then it would be micrometer.
Yes,
Micro.
micrometer. Right. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir. Clear, sir. Thanks.
Right, right. So how many membranes are there in the chloroplast?
Two membranes.
Two membranes.
Two membranes. Outer membrane and inner membrane. The space present in between the two membranes called as periplastidial space. So this is the outer membrane, and the next layer is the
Inner membrane.
inner membrane. Right. The space present in between the two membranes called as periplastidial space. The space present in between the two membranes called as periplastidial space. Peri means, what is the meaning of peri?
So half.
Between, sir. Between.
Between the space present in between outer and inner membrane of chloroplast. Chloroplast is one of the plastid. The space present in between outer and inner membrane of plastid is called as periplastidial space. Right. The colorless substance is present in the chloroplast organelle. That's called as stroma.
Stroma.
Yes. What is the stroma? The colorless substance is present in a chloroplast organelle. Is called stroma. In stroma region, the dialypoids are extended. The membranous structures are extended from one edge to another edge. One edge to another edge. At certain regions, so these membranes are folded to form the granum dialypoids. In the granum dialypoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins known as granum. Right, how many types of dialypoids are there in the stroma region? How many types of the dialypoids are there in the stroma region of the chloroplast? Two types. What are they? They are one is granum
Dialypoid.
dialypoid, and second one is the stroma dialypoids. Granum
Sir, can you
dialypoid.
once again explain what is that granum, sir?
Granum, right. Here, inside the chloroplast organelle, proteins, the membrane structures are there. Membranous structures. These membranous structures are called stroma dialypoids. At certain regions, these membranes are folded several times to form a grana dialypoids. In a grana dialypoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins. Look here. So this is in this the presentation. This is one dialypoid, another dialypoid, next second dialypoid, third dialypoid. Next one is fourth dialypoid. So dialypoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins called as granum dialypoids. Now in between the granum dialypoids, stroma dialypoids are present. This is one granum and the second granum. In between the two granum dialypoids which is present stroma dialypoids or stroma lamellae or intergranal dialypoids. Stroma lamellae, or stroma dialypoids or fret lonely. Or intergranal thylakoids. The thylakoids present in between the grana, known as intergranal thylakoids. Is it clear now? How many types of thylakoids are there? In Stromarina chloroplast, 2 types.
2 types.
Very good. One is granum thylakoids and second one is the stroma thylakoids or stroma. In a granum thylakoids are arranged one above the other, like a pylorpoids, like granum. And stroma thylakoids are present in between the granum thylakoids. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Next class we will discuss about the characteristics of the chloroplast and functions. The remaining cell. Okay. Do you have any doubts now regarding this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, no, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no, you're welcome. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.